Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Xfinity cable box. First, take the coax cable and connect one end to the wall outlet and the other end to the back of your cable box. Next, plug in the power cord and wait for the box to turn on. Then use an HDMI cable to connect the cable box to your TV. Once everything's connected, turn on your TV and set it to the correct HDMI input. Now it's time to activate. You can activate your box using the Xfinity app online at the activation page or by following the instructions that appear on your TV screen. Just follow the prompts, wait for the setup to finish, and your channels should load automatically. And that's it. That's how to set up your Xfinity cable box. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.